In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ping in League of Legends. Pings are your quickest way to communicate with your team without typing, and using them well can make your game smoother, safer, and a lot more coordinated. We'll keep this simple and hands-on so you can try everything right away. Start by logging into a game, and the practice tool is perfect for this. It gives you a quiet space to test pings without the pressure of a live match. Once you're in, know that by default, you'll use the Control and Alt keys for pings. When you hold Control and press left click, you'll send a cautious ping. Use this to warn teammates about danger in an area, like a missing enemy or a risky path through the river. You can click on the ground in front of you or on the minimap to flag a location quickly. A single, clear, cautious ping is usually enough to get attention. When you hold Alt and press left click, you'll ping a specific target or location. This is useful for highlighting a champion, a minion, a jungle camp, or an objective like Dragon or Baron. Target pings help your team focus on the same thing, whether you're setting up a pick or pointing out a ward or turret to hit. Now for the most flexible option. If you hold either Control or Alt, then left click and drag before you release, you'll open the ping wheel. This gives you more choices so you can be precise. You'll see options like Retreat, Enemy Vision, Enemy Missing, Need Vision, Assist Me, Push, All In, and On My Way. Drag toward the one you want and release to send it. Use Retreat to tell teammates to back off, and Enemy Missing to notify a lane that an opponent is off the map. Enemy Vision is great for marking an area where you suspect or see a ward. Need Vision calls for help placing wards. Assist Me asks your team to come help at your location or a nearby objective. Push signals that it's time to shove the wave. All In means you're ready to fully commit to a fight. And On My Way tells your team you're moving to a spot or coming to help. Spend a few minutes testing each option in the practice tool so you build muscle memory. Try pinging both on the ground and on the minimap, and aim for clear, timely pings rather than spam. With just these controls, you'll communicate faster, make cleaner calls, and help your team stay on the same page.